So you mean to tell me all I needed to put on was some foundation and some contour and I was gonna look like this? Okay. Okay.
You gotta feel me.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leader Ray. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my makeup for the first time really ever. Full coverage, everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into that. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Maybelline foundation. Okay, I don't really know too much about, you know, this or what to do, but or I'm gonna start with the eyebrows first. Don't judge me because I don't have an eyebrow brush. We're gonna do this the struggle way. Usually what I do with my face, I just do my eyebrows and then I put lashes on, then I put lip gloss on, and then I call it a day. But I just kind of want to get into the makeup life, you know, and I want to do the full coverage, the contour and everything, highlighting and stuff. So I'm going to use this NYX brown pencil for my eyebrows. I always use this for my eyebrows, so we're going to go ahead and watch me use it for my eyebrows. I really don't know how this is going to turn out. Hopefully it turns out good. That's enough. I don't know how to do makeup, man. Okay, we're gonna clean it up with the concealer. I saw a video where they just highlighted everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight everything. I forgot I got some stuff from Walmart that I saw somebody do. Give me one. This right here. I don't know what to do with it, but I'm gonna figure it out. I don't know if this is for my skin complexion. No, I don't. What does this do? It's a highlighter. I don't know if I should use this right now. I'm gonna save this for the last part. I don't know. I saw this guy do some kind of makeup, or this girl do some kind of makeup where they just put like the concealer everywhere, like literally everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
A few moments later.
What do you guys think? I think it's time to blend this in. So I'm gonna be using this brush. It's my sister's brush. I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and, or give me one moment. My sister does this often, you know. Get the setting spray, whatever this is, and you spray the brush, and I think that does something. So we're gonna try to blend this in like this. Spray it again. You got to make sure you get all of the droplets, okay, just to preserve your purchase. I don't like the way this looks. I'm kind of disappointed already. Okay, I'm gonna just go in with the foundation now because I'm kind of getting irritated. Okay, you gotta get the ears, I know that much. You know, you gotta make sure everything is even throughout the body, the neck. Get some more. Now I'm gonna go in with the contour. I'm not really too sure how I look right now on the camera. Hopefully I look decent, but we're gonna go ahead and go in with the contour. I'm not gonna do too much of this because I don't know. And the side, and then right here, a little bit right here. I did buy some translucent powder from Milan. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on now. I think I should put it on now. So we're gonna let that bake. I don't know. We're gonna let that bake, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend this contour out. I'll be right back. We're gonna spray. Okay, get all the droplets. Okay, so with this one, I'm not gonna press it. I'm gonna do a kind of a press and smear like that, just to get the shadow effect right here for the jawline. Okay, okay, I see that. Okay, okay, so I got the base the base contour down. So what I'm gonna do now is brush the bake off, and yeah. I feel like I look like a ghost. What do you guys think? I got the foundation, I got the highlight, I got the powder, I got the contour. What else? Okay, I'm gonna just spray it. And then we're just gonna let that absorb, I guess. So I really don't know where I'm going with this completely. So in order to get my head back together, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lashes just so I can get the vision clearer. I got these lashes from my local beauty supply store. They're 25mm lashes in 4 La Flare 3D Max Volume. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. You see what I mean? Now I think it's appropriate to add these drops now. You know, it's a highlighter kind of blush thing. So this is a disaster. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and line the lips now. And I'm going to be using the NYX pencil with some gloss. What do you guys think? And most of the time when I'm trying to get that sultry look, I would add like black liner to my waterline, and then I will add mascara to my bottom lashes. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let me go put my wig on so y'all can get the full gist. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me hide my face because y'all don't get to see that. But I messed up on eyeliner. I don't know. What y'all think? Oh. What y'all think, man? Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know your opinion about this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll be alarmed when I do post. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.